While exercise has countless health benefits, during and immediately post-exercise, a lot of damage is done to your body. You can become dehydrated, throw off your body temperature, deplete your body's gas tank called glycogen, and break down your muscle fibers. Now, the body doesn't like to be damaged, so post-exercise, it activates satellite cells and sends them to damaged muscles. Satellite cells help the damaged fibers to become thicker and stronger, leading to muscle growth. To help support this process, you have to provide the body with the right nutrients: protein plus carbohydrates immediately post-workout. Protein is broken down into amino acids, which directly enter the muscles, while carbohydrates spike insulin levels, allowing amino acids to enter your muscles, beginning the recovery process. With its blend of high-quality protein and carbohydrates, Rebuild Strength is a great choice post-workout.